The best ways to lose belly fat. 1. Practice intermittent fasting. Have you ever wondered what belly fat is made of? And why it's some of the most stubborn cells to flatten in our bodies? Certified nutritionist and author Dr. Daryl Joffre explains there are two types of belly fat, visceral and subcutaneous fat. As defined, visceral fat forms inside our abdominal cavity around the organs. Subcutaneous fat, on the other hand, develops under the skin, and is exceedingly difficult to get rid of, according to Dr. Joffre. 2. Limit alcohol consumption. Though a nice pour of your favorite red wine or a perfectly crafted cocktail is much needed sometimes, moderation is key. When you boil it down to chemistry, alcohol is, well, sugar. And all of that sweet stuff hangs around in your midsection, according to board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Thomas Sterry. As he explains, consuming drinks high in sugar, like booze, soft drinks, and juices, will lead to rapid weight gain. 3. Cut out refined carbs and added sugar. Repeat this, carbs are not the enemy. But also, not all carbohydrates are equal. As OBGYN and double board-certified functional medicine Dr. Renee Welsenstein explains, refined carbs are diet sabotagers because they don't offer the same benefits as good carbohydrates, which provide our body with energy. A refined carb would consist of your go-to fast food orders, white rice, white flour, pastries, pasta, pizzas, desserts, and cereals. 4. Keep exercise consistent. One of the most common myths about losing belly fat, according to Dr. Sterry, is that you need to run a marathon for it to be effective. This isn't true since the key is consistency and movement. Modest exercise, including going for a long walk, will help to both burn calories and keep a more lean body mass. Reduce stress and prioritize sleep. When we're asleep, our bodies do all of the hard repair work from the day. So when we aren't able to reap the benefits of shut-eye, our system will retaliate against us, making it more difficult to lose weight. That's why Dr. Sterry says prioritizing meditation, mindfulness, and bedtime will reduce our sleep levels and result in better rest. Mimic the Mediterranean diet. Even if you can't jet set to Southern Europe right now, you can take after the Greek and Italians and copy their diet to beat belly fat. Dr. Welsenstein says this includes increased consumption of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, olive oils, and vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. According to one study, those who follow this eating regimen long-term showed a notable decrease in waistlines. Plus, did you know that the Mediterranean diet is the best diet for weight loss?